Before working with the Wellness Vibrant program, my life was pretty sedentary, pretty full of fast food, and a desire to lose some weight and be healthy, but nothing seemed to be working. What made me say yes to the Wellness Vibrant program was it was like an answer to prayer, and the fact that I trust Jayne, who is my acupuncturist, so much that when she broached the idea, I thought, this is something that I need to do for myself. If there was something about the Vibrance Wellness program that would have made me hesitate, I was a little taken aback at the price. The cost of the Vibrant Wellness program it seemed immaterial after I started doing the program because my focus was on getting my organs healthy now that I was on a program where I was eating nutrient-dense food, smaller portions, and actually preparing it myself so I could make it taste like I wanted it to. It totally worth the investment, every penny. What I got out of the wellness program was a successful blood test that showed improvement, specifically my kidneys, my cholesterol, my blood, and insulin. So just to see those numbers drop was what I considered to be a huge success. The Vibrant Wellness program is different from things that I tried in the past, is that you have to be organized. You have to be committed. You are like following a plan, then you're noticing the improvements, and when you find your favorite recipes, it does not seem like such a huge, oh Lord, I have to cook a meal. It's different. It's exciting. You get to use your imagination. What actually surprised me the most about the wellness program was the fact that I got acquainted with my new stove that I hadn't really used very much since we were into fast food and eating out. What I can do now that I wasn't able to do before I started the program was I'm fitting into smaller clothes. It's not so daunting to go up the stairs. I just have more energy, more oomph, and I'm really just enjoying life better because I don't feel so bloated and bogged down. I would absolutely recommend this program to anyone who is interested in improving their internal health. I would have no problem recommending this program to anyone. After having done the wellness program, I will definitely be eating more healthy. I will be doing the outside aisles of the grocery store and not the inside aisles where all the good tasting, fattening foods are. I really appreciate Dr. Jayne introducing me to this program. I have been seeing her for over 10 years now as an acupuncturist, and in conjunction with the benefits from the acupuncture, this eating plan has really made me think about what am I putting into my body and what is it doing for me? And I would like to, with all my heart, thank Dr. Jayne. My name is Carol Johnson. I live in Virginia Beach, Virginia.